Have you ever put an oven rack in a garbage bag? It turns out that this trick will save you a lot of time. Scrubbing a burnt grill rack is an annoying task. Not many people know that there's a smarter way to do it. We put 2 dishwasher tablets into a bowl. They have degreasing and cleaning properties. We pour in warm water and crush them with a fork. We take out the burnt oven rack from the oven and put it in the garbage bag. Then we place it in the bathtub or shower. We pour the tablet mixture into the bag. Add warm water until the bag is filled. The rack must be completely submerged in the water. We tie the bag and leave it for several minutes. The tablet will start working and you won't even have to lift a finger. Then we take out the rack and wipe it with a sponge. Even stubborn grease comes off right away. Cleaning is easy, simple, and enjoyable. The rack looks like new. You will never have to scrape off burnt residue again.